Looking for a natural way to lose weight and cleanse your gut? Try this powerful homemade tea. It's packed with natural fat-burning and detoxifying ingredients that work wonders for your body. Here's what you'll need. Cloves, helps digestion and boosts metabolism. Lemon aids weight loss and detoxifies the body. Ginger, reduces bloating and speeds up digestion. Cinnamon, regulates blood sugar and burns fat. Hibiscus, supports digestion and reduces cravings. Bay leaf, improves gut health and flushes toxins. Green tea boosts metabolism and burns calories. Now let's make this tea. Bring water to a boil. Add all the ingredients. Let it simmer for 10 minutes to extract all the goodness. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool. Drink this tea once or twice a day, preferably on an empty stomach or before meals. It will help with digestion, burn stubborn fat and keep you feeling light and energetic. Try this natural weight loss tea and let me know your results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Stay fit and stay healthy.